Another favorite tool of ours at Alder Elite Woodworks is the Stair Wizard. We use it for stair treads and for riser as a gauge. It is stored in this translucent tube, and it stores, kind of collapses neatly, and doesn't take much room in your work van or truck. To get it open, you loosen these screws, remove these temporary pieces, and then it all slides out like so, and can be used in a minute. Love it and highly recommend it. Here I have it, all opened up and ready to go. Tighten the screws. There's a stop that hits the riser when doing the threads. You set that against the riser, place this in between the wall. These will move, they're adjusted. Tighten down the screws. Take it down to your workpiece. Run your pencil on the workpiece for the marks. Cut it, install it. This tool makes doing threads and risers such a pleasure and so easy. Stair Wizard by DNB Tools in California. You put it in its tube, put a cap on, and you place it in the corner until your next stair job. Awesome. If you like this video, press like and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, where I share my favorite, what I think are essential tools for carpenter or DIYer learning the craft.